radar indicated threat.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Columbia, Lee May, Oakville, Melville, Afton, St. George, Valmeyer, Bella Villa, East Carondelet, and Wilbur Park around 8:05 a.m. Cahokia, Centerville, Duval, Millstead, Cahokia Parks Airport, and Aloorton around 8:10 a.m. East St. Louis, Fairview Heights, and Waterloo around 8:15 a.m. Belleville, Swansea, Shiloh, Smithton, and New Design around 8:20 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include O'Fallon, Muscuda, Freeburg, Red Bud, Scott Air Force Base, Lebanon, New Baden, New Athens, and Marissa. This includes the following highways: Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 14 and 27. Interstate 55 in Missouri between exits 178 and 191. This also includes Mastodon Historic Site and Gov. Dunklin's Grave Historic Site. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in...